नमस्कार. RDX गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां सगळ्यांक दिपाली नायकाचो येवकार. मेळिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण मुखेलमंत्र्यांची भलायकी हालिल्ल्यान शेनवारा सावन मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या बंगल्यार मंत्री आमदारांचे तशेंच बरे मागप्यांचे यो वच वाडिल्ले आसा. सोशल मिडिया मार्फत पर्रीकाराच्या भलायके बाबतींत कितल्योश्योच गजाली पातळिल्ल्यो. कांय मंत्री आमदारांनी तांची वासपूस करून मिडिया कडेन तांच्या भलायके बाबतींत म्हायती दिली. RDX Goa Bureau Report.
Resolution will not happen. So,
but the topic came up in the meeting.
Topic has come up that Parrikar ji is very unwell, and from yesterday night he's quite sick. And today also our coalition partners have gone to see them, especially the Goa Forward and the Independents, and they have also come down.
Is he on life support?
That I have not seen him personally,
Speaker,
so we cannot comment.
But कुछ sir any leader change of the ये party कोई leader change करने के लिए सोच रहे हैं?
I think
नहीं सर क्योंकि अभी
party will not change the leadership. Manohar Bhai will remain as the chief minister till he is there in this party.
आम्ही पर्सनली थंय आतां वचूंक ना कारण सेमाक मेळपाक गेला उपरांत बट आमचे पार्टीचे लिडर्स आमचे संघटन मंत्री आमचे बाकीचे दोग तीग जाण वचून आयले सीएमची खरेंच कंडिशन मातशी बरी ना अशें तेंच्यांनी सांगलें. एक्झॅक्टली कशी आसा आनी कितें आसा ही कळूंक ना आत्तां आमचे कडेन. बट आत्तां तरी म्हणजे कोण येयला त्या प्रमाणे समवट स्टेबल आसा आतां स्टेबल आसा अशें म्हटलां.
Is it just a coincidence that Satish Dhawan also meets governor at the same time?
ते मात सतीश धवन
तो गव्हर्नराक मेळोन गेल्लो कशी बातमी
ना 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 हांव गव्हर्नराक मेळना.
Major national party being the ruling party and being ruling party MLAs, definitely this is a matter of concern to us. As I said, we are very confident of taking the right decision at the right time. Let the time come and we will take the correct decision very swiftly. This is all I can say.
So was there any discussion?
leadership changes on the Supreme Court because his chief minister health is not well known.
Obviously, as I said, I think I have answered it very clearly. We take the right decision at the right time. Appropriate decision will emerge much quicker than what you anticipate.
हय कितें सांगलें सीएमान
ना आमी मेळ्ळे बेजिकली टू सी हाव ही इज आनी स जाण हो सरकार घडोवपाक आमी चीफ मिनिस्टरा बरोबर अनइक्विवोकल ताका सपोर्ट आमचो आशिल्लो. मदीं जेन्ना हो कॅन्सर डिटेक्ट जालो आनी जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्र्यान अशें विलिंगनेस दाखयलें की आपूण स्टेप डावन करतलो म्हणून तेन्ना पासून आमी स जाण एक परमनंट सोल्युशन आनी स्टेबिलिटी गोंयाक मेळची हे मताचे आशिल्ले. ताजे खातीर आमी एक जाल्ले. आजूय बी जेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टराची म्हणल्यार हेल्थ मातशी म्हणल्यार तशी पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार डिटेरियोरेट जाल्ली आहा तेन्ना पसून आमी ताजे बरोबर आहा. ही इज स्टेबल बट इन मेडिकल सायन्स एक्झॅक्टली वॉट इज द स्टेट वी आर नॉट अवेर. वी वॉन्टेड टू गो एंड शो अवर सॉलिडेरिटी टू बी with him as we have been in the past. That's all. We are together and we will be together with him.
But you all met him?
Yes.
उलोवपाक मेळ्ळें
उलोवपाक
उलोवपाक म्हळ्यार बेजिकली ही इज ऑन
लायफ सपोर्टाचेर बीन येतलो.
लायफ सपोर्टाचेर ना तो पूण ताजे सी मेडिकल टर्म्स खंयचे वापरप ते जर तुमी राजकारण्यांक विचारपाक लागले जाल्यार यू आर मेकिंग माय सेल्फ ओपन टू आय एम मेकिंग माय सेल्फ ओपन टू सो मेनी interpretation. This is not right, but we have to respect his privacy. We are with him. There is from the chief minister's office there is that it says that he is stable. Take it that he is stable. Many times he has challenged your wisdom. So many times in the past the press has predicted so many things and you all have come out to be wrong. Why come out again to be wrong?